The Honorable Speaker, the Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Deputy Prime Ministers, Honorable Cabinet Ministers and Assistant Ministers, Honorable Leader of Opposition, Honorable Members of Parliament and citizens of Fiji listening or watching the parliamentary proceedings on TV or the Internet. Istanbul Benasak. Mr. Speaker, sir, today I stand before you to provide an update on the Nambabatu relocation project, an initiative to secure the future and safety of the Nambabatu community in Reketi, Maduatu province following the devastation and land instability caused by Tropical Cyclone Ana in 2021. This multi-million-dollar relocation project, Mr. Speaker, sir, is estimated at approximately $5.9 million and is structured in 4 main phases, each designed to ensure a smooth transition from the current vulnerable site to a safer, permanent location at Nandoiviri. Phase 1 involves the essential civil works, including drainage upgrades, road access improvements, and water access infrastructure. These foundational works are vital to prepare the new site for the community's relocation. Detailed technical and topography surveys have been conducted to guarantee the safety and suitability of the land for habitation. Mr. Speaker, sir, Phase 2 marks the construction phase where Engineering Express Limited has been awarded the contract to build 37 new homes. The phase also includes the installation of water reticulation systems and the connection of homes to the main EFL power grid, ensuring that the new community will be fully serviced and sustainable. Timber for construction is sourced under careful management with consent from the local landowning Matangali, respecting traditions and promoting community involvement. Mr. Speaker, sir, Phase 3 focuses on community infrastructure finishing touches, such as the construction of footpaths and footbridges within the village. These are critical for safe and accessible connectivity throughout the settlement, enhancing the quality of life for all residents. And finally, Mr. Speaker, sir, Phase 4 is a monitoring phase where engineers will conduct thorough reviews of all construction work to ensure compliance with building plans and standards. This guarantees the structural integrity and safety of all facilities and homes before the community moves in. Mr. Speaker, sir, we are currently in Phase 2 of the project, the construction phase, and I am pleased to provide a positive progress update. The civil and drainage works, along with land clearing, have been successfully completed. Additionally, the road civil works have been finalized by the Public Works Department. Mr. Speaker, sir, Engineering Express Limited diligently continues with the construction of 37 homes across 3 terraces that constitute the Nambabatu relocation site layout. Specifically, Terrace 1 is allocated for 8 homes, Terrace 2 for 18 homes, and Terrace 3 for 11 homes. Currently, the foundations of these homes are at various stages of completion. Mr. Speaker, sir, construction progress on site remains positive, notwithstanding some inevitable delays caused by adverse weather conditions and necessary adaptation to the foundation designs to ensure structural integrity. Engineering Express Limited remains committed to maintaining efficiency, quality, and adherence to timelines. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Ministry, through the Office of the Commissioner Northern Division, continues to coordinate closely with the contractor, ensuring smooth execution of each phase while addressing any challenges proactively. With consistent progress and well-managed resources, we are confident in meeting project milestones as planned. The Ministry, Mr. Speaker, sir, through the Office of the Commissioner Northern Division, remains actively engaged with the landowning units as well as the Ministry of Fisheries and Forests to facilitate the procurement of timber for use in home construction and to secure the necessary logging licenses. The Ministry's newly established relocation unit, Mr. Speaker, sir, continues to coordinate these works with the Divisional Commissioner's Office and continues to work closely with the Ministry of Environment and Climate Change. The Ministry continues to be dedicated and key participant in the Fiji Task Force for Relocation and Displacement. A finalized list of 43 communities identified as highly vulnerable to the impacts of climate change has been endorsed by the Task Force for Relocation Assessments. This list is currently being prepared for submission to Cabinet for approval. The Nambabatu relocation project, Mr. Speaker, sir, embodies a government-led, community-supported approach to climate relocation, funded through the Climate Relocation of Communities Trust Fund and bilateral support. It represents a model for future relocation efforts aimed at protecting vulnerable communities from the increasing impacts of climate change. We remain committed, Mr. Speaker, sir, to supporting the Nambabatu people until their full resettlement is achieved, ensuring that their new homes and community are safe, resilient, and sustainable for generations to come. Thank you for this opportunity, Mr. Speaker, sir.